Howdy, and thank you for watching this video. It is a summary of why you might want to use WordPress for your CrossFit website. And we're just going to look at a sample CrossFit website. This is one that I made for my CrossFit gym that I go to, CrossFit So Ill, which is Southern Illinois. So here's what it looks like. It's using WordPress under the hood. You see you've got menu options here for like figuring out how much it costs or seeing what the schedule is. And then right on the home page is the WordPress blog, which is the workout of the day and whatever other news you might want to include. But see here we've got workouts of the days. Each blog post has a picture every day. And if you click on that, you get your little shadow box picture, but all these pictures are the same size, so there's really no point in clicking on it. Then down at the bottom of the page, there's these widget areas for links. There's a site admin to log in, and we're going to do that actually, so I'll open that in a new tab. We'll go back up, and then there's sidebar widgets here. And ours, we have the required Operation Phoenix advertisement and the CrossFit Journal ad, and then a couple of links to videos that our CrossFit gym had been featured in for news broadcasts, and just like the info about the free class, something we want people to see. Oh, and also we have this really nice CrossFit movements videos widget. You see it opens up and you can select which movement you want to know about. So let's say, how do I do a strict pull-up? Oh no, let's say, how do I do a squat? And there, oh, it's a CrossFit video for how to do a squat. And, yep, okay. So, oh yeah, so we open up this new tab to log in here. I'll log in, admin. There's my big password. Okay. Now here you can see the comments. Here's the most recent comments, and that's one thing I forgot to show you. Everybody can comment on the blog. So our blog is actually rather lively. The instructor tells everyone to comment, and we all do. And so you post your times and, you know, what you didn't like, what you did. See, look, he says, need to work on exploding up my hips. My legs are just too weak. And you know, that's something that everyone else likes to read about, and sort of building community. Oh, and here, look, Coco says, I loved how people stared when all 25 or so of us started the first run. You see, that's the sort of thing you get with comments. And then you can compare what other people got to you, which is a good source of pride or humility if you're not exercising as well as they are. Okay, so how do you update the WOD? You go to these posts things. So we're logged into our WordPress dashboard. And here's the post. So August 20th, that is today. So we'll just go in and edit it. And there's the picture of that girl. Here's some information. You know, now this thing where you edit it, it's as easy as a word processor. You've got bold, italics, strike through, whatever. You can change where the font, the alignment goes. You do block quotes, you can do underlining, you can change the color of the text. You know, do whatever you want. You can change the type. All sorts of things. You can add images really easily. You just upload them. Add videos, add audio, add media. I actually don't know what media is because I don't think I've ever used that. Okay. So that's how you would change that. Now, how about this August 21st thing? Yes, you'll notice if you go to the blog. Oops, I did not mean to zoom in. Okay, go to the blog. Here it's August 20th. You notice August 21st hasn't shown up yet, or showed up. That's because it is scheduled to be published August 20th at 7 p.m. So that's tonight at 7 p.m. So if the instructor wanted to, she could write out, 10 workout of the days in advance, and then she could just take a nice long break, not having to write up any new ones for the next 10 days. She just has to say when they get published. And it's very, very easy to do. See, there's August 20th, whatever. Okay, now how do you change these pages here? And that is just as easy as changing the other things. So you just find it in here, and you'd click edit, and we could change, whatever we wanted in here. We could add links, we could add pictures, just like a little word processor. Now, I forgot to show you, if you want to add a new post, there's a little add new button, and you put the title in. It's really, really easy. It's as easy as using webmail. Okay, so let's go to widgets. Widgets are these things on the side here. And in this theme, on WordPress, you can have it look pretty much however you want, and WordPress just runs underneath. You just specify how to display the posts, how to display the pages, and where to put the widgets. And in this theme, there is a widget area along the right sidebar here, and there is the widgets areas down here at the very bottom. We have links, something that talks about Gravatar icons, and then like our site admin stuff. Okay, so here's the widget areas. So this is the sidebar. Let's say here's our Fight Gone Bad 5 CrossFit So Ill video widget. Let's just move up. I'll show you where that is. There it is. Okay, so this one is just some text with some HTML code in it to display the video. Let's put that down. So we just had, all we did was we dragged this text object over there, and then we pasted in some HTML code. And if you don't want to paste in HTML code, you can get plugins that will do that for you. But we went ahead and did that. Okay, so let's say we want to move this one down one. We can just drag it and drop it down. It's really easy. You don't even have to click a save button. Now, this one should be down there. Those should be flip-flopped. Let's see. Yep, they're flip-flopped. But that is hideous, so I'll put it back to how it was. Okay. Yes, so that's it. Let me show you another really neat feature that WordPress has. This is the What's Up plugin. And it shows you how many visitors you get. Look at that. 1,463 visits. And it tells you if they're spiders, if they're real people. Oh look, there's Matt. That's me. See, I'm using Linux and Google Chrome. Yep. Shows you what pages they looked at. And something you might really like is the refer from a search engine filter. See, we got, in the last 24 hours, we got 27 visits from a search engine. And they were looking for CrossFit Nicole, CrossFit Southern Illinois, CrossFit So Ill, CrossFit So Ill, CrossFit So Ill. So you can see what sort of keywords you're getting hits from. And in this one, we're targeting CrossFit Carbondale and CrossFit Southern Illinois. But since there's another CrossFit in Carbondale called CrossFit Carbondale, they get most of those hits. Okay, well, so those are the reasons why you should use WordPress. And everybody else uses it. And it's open source, so it's free. And you can pay someone like me to make a theme for you, or someone else. Or you can just get a theme from the WordPress page and use one of those. There's a zillion of them. Okay, goodbye.